to another Ramblings video. My name's Millea.
My name's Heather, and today we're going to be making bracelets out of popsicle sticks.
Let's go! The materials you will need are a fork to stir the popsicle sticks around in the pot, and popsicle sticks, either big or small, and you can do them either colored or wooden, either one.
And mugs to wrap the bracelets in when you're done.
Let's go!
So you boil the popsicle sticks for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on if they bend or not. So when you take them out, make sure they're bendable so you can fit them around the cup.
So the next step is to fit the popsicle sticks around the inside of the cup.
And then if they don't bend into the cup, then you're going to put them back in your pan and let them boil longer. So the materials you will need for decorating your popsicle stick bracelets are Mod Podge, paint brushes, some different colored little pieces of paper to put on the bracelets, different colored Sharpies, and scissors, and lastly, some stickers, either letters or designs. So here are some of the finished popsicle stick bracelets, so you can wear a couple of them on your wrists. Okay. Thanks for watching this DIY. Please like down below and subscribe to Ramblings. Thank you. Bye.